Namaskar. My name is Neeta Singh, and today a viewer asked me a question about this disease called Keratosis Pilaris. I know that sounds difficult to say, and as I tell you, this disease is also very complicated and very hard to treat, but not in Ayurveda. So, what do you do? First of all, what is this disease? What is Keratosis Pilaris? Well, this is related to a protein in our body that is called keratin. When this keratin is overproduced, and pilo means hair, so when that keratin is overproduced in our hair follicles, that becomes the problem, and this problem is called keratosis pilaris. In allopathy, we connect this to autoimmune disease. There is no cure for it. You can stop from increasing. That also will affect your immune system. So what is the Ayurvedic remedy for it? First of all, friends, thank you so much for looking into Ayurveda for these kind of remedy, because there is an answer. When there is no other answer in allopathy, there is always an answer in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, this problem, this disease, which is not at ease of your body is not at ease, related to Pitta aggravation. Pitta aggravation, it means you will have to change your food habit. You will need to eliminate all the Pitta food from your diet, because taking those food will increase that problem again. You will also need to apply some oil, some ointment that I'll tell you in the end of this topic when we discuss. But let's discuss about food. Well, this keratosis pilaris is a redness on the skin, itchy because of the air component, vata problem. It's itchy, redness, and it's the skin becomes dry. So it's because of the air compound of the body. And what do we do? First of all, we pay attention to our diet, what we are taking. We remove the food, Pitta food. You can also search on internet what are the Pitta food and avoid those Pitta food. I would say few names right here, if you can please write down. Avoid potatoes, brinjal, avoid spicy food, avoid ginger. All these things. I can't think of anything right now, but you can search on internet and what are the Pitta food and just avoid those. Spicy food, I would say just stay away from. Yeah, maida. That's very important thing is white flour. You have to totally avoid it, because it's gonna aggravate your condition even more. So white flour you need to avoid. You can have rice, and also you can have not yogurt but buttermilk. Buttermilk helps bringing Pitta down. How you gonna take buttermilk? You can also buy, that's available on the grocery shops here. Buy organic buttermilk, dilute it with the water, and add pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt, and also pinch of cumin seed powder. So what I do is I make a cumin seed, I burn them on my tawa, fry them, not oil fry them, dry, and then grind them, make a powder, and I use that powder for my lassi, buttermilk, my food every time. So you can keep you can fill it in a jar and reuse it. So buttermilk will really help you, rice will really help you, dal without spices you can have. Avoid sour food, because sour food, any sauerkraut, achar, pickle, that will bring your Pitta aggravation. They are really good food. If you are into balance, they are really good food. But right now you're not in balance, so avoid them. Okay, what else you can have? In the early morning, you need to have a amla powder, teaspoon of amla powder with 1 cup of hot water. Alternate days, one day neem, 1 teaspoon of neem powder, and another day 1 teaspoon of amla powder. 3 days amla, 4 days neem. That's how you can balance. And if neem is too pungent for you, it's too bitter for you, then you can also try neem ki jo tablet aati hai. You can also take that with warm water. So for food friends, very plain food, not lot of cheese, not lot of um, anything heavy. If you feel the cheese is very heavy for your diet, given that your system is already compromised right now, applesauce, you can add cinnamon to it. You can have food like plain food like that. You can have that Japanese food, what you call that, the soup. It's a really nourishing food. I don't know what's your lifestyle look like, where you are from. If you are Indian, your diet is different. You're American, your diet is different. But only thing that's common is avoid ginger, avoid spicy food, avoid lot of heavy food, avoid ice, eating ice, lot of cold. We think that it's hot weather outside and we can drink water with a lot of ice, but what does is ice causes dehydration in your system. It causes more dryness because it's really cold, and what is cold in our body causes dryness. So stay away from a lot of cold beverages. Drink hot water, take neem and amla, take simple foods, and the last but not least is you need to apply oil topically on this. And you can find that oil on my website. This oil is called Eladi oil. So Eladi, it's a herbal preparation, Ayurvedic herbal preparation that is made specifically for skin problems like this. Itchiness, dryness, dry scalp, itchiness, redness, burning, follicle problem. In this Keratosis Pilaris is this problem. And so this herbal preparation is specifically for those people who are suffering from this kind of skin condition. So you can apply that 2 to 3 times every day. And control your food habits. And I wouldn't use the word control, because whenever you say control, your mind wants to revolt. So let's just say allow. Let's use the word allow. So allow simple food in your diet and eliminate spicy food from your diet. And if you have any more question, I'm here. You can always email me, neetanaturals@gmail.com, and I would be happy to answer your questions as I did today. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best health and wellness. Be safe, dear friends. Namaste.